Hi, my name is Francesca and this is Scola la pasta. Are you ready for my invincible Amatriciana? Stay with me and I will show you how to do it. Ingredients for 2 people: bucatini or spaghetti 280 grams, pork cheek cut into small cubes 130 grams, half red onion, fresh tomato peeled and cut into strips but also tomato puree 200 grams, oil 2 spoons, pepper, salt, wine half glass scarce. Brown the chopped onion in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. The first Amatriciana recipe is reported in this book, Il Talismano della Felicità, the Talisman of Happiness, way back in 1927, a celebrated book that must not be missing in the shelf of a passionate Italian cook. When it is ready, add the pork cheek and brown it as well for 2 minutes. It seems quite certain that the name Amatriciana derives from Amatrice, a well-known village in the upper Lazio region that I love to mention, also to honor its people after the terrible earthquake that hit them so hard in 2016. Pour a little white wine and let it evaporate. The preparation, as shown in that book, shows some differences if compared to that of today. The bacon was minced and not cut into cubes. It was then put to fry with lard and onion, to which fresh peeled tomatoes were added. What has changed? In the 60s, chopped onion disappeared. Not in the tradition of my family anyway. Bacon was cut into cubes and no longer minced. Oil was used instead of lard. After the wine is evaporated, add the tomato puree and adjust with salt and pepper. Drain the pasta al dente and pour it into the pan with the sauce. Keep always a little of the cooking water, rich in starch, to adjust the density of the sauce. Add some parmesan and pecorino. Turn off the heat and top again with some parmesan and pecorino. And with the Amatriciana, we shared the second of the 3 fundamental appointments of the Roman first courses. After preparing Amatriciana, Carbonara, there is only cacio e pepe left to get the diploma of the traditional Roman cuisine. So if you want to add this title to your CV, stay with us, stay with Scola la pasta, the Italian way of making food.